Alright guys, welcome to video 2, demand and supply zone. So for the uptrend, we are looking for demand zone, and for the downtrend, we are looking for supply zone. Let me explain here. So let's say market is running in an upside, it's creating new higher high, and after that pull back, and again price goes up. Alright, so this point from where price exactly bouncing from this area called demand zone. Right. So let's say this is a demand zone. Demand zone is not a single line, it is a zone. So exactly we are calculating last candle where price are rejecting. As a supply, price goes down, pull back and goes down, and this is called supply zone where exactly price are rejecting. All right, so this area called supply zone. Let me show you in the live chart. All right guys, so now you can see price creating a new higher high, and after that price pull back. So in that case, you can see this is the last candle where price are rejecting, and we draw a demand zone. So just a minute, let me rectangle. Okay, so this last candle we drawn, this is called demand zone. Okay, so next another demand zone is somewhere here. So another demand zone, exactly same area. So after giving a pullback, now it is another demand zone. Okay, and the next here you can see another demand zone. This is called demand zone. Okay, so basically we are focusing on this demand zone to take a buy position. So now you can see finally they broke this demand zone and create a new lower low here. You can see let's create a new lower low. Let me make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so after that price pull back again, price pull back here, and price drop from this area. So let me show you. This is the supply zone. You can see. So this is the supply zone. All right. So next supply zone will be somewhere here. So price are rejecting from this area. This is the supply zone. Basically, we are looking for short in this area, and we are looking for buy near demand zone, and then near demand zone, and then near demand zone. Okay, we are looking for buy. So how we draw the demand zone and supply zone? By connecting this lower point and higher point last rejection candle. So let me zoom a little bit one by one. So okay, so from here you can see this candle. Let me change the color. Okay, make it yellow. I think it will be more. Okay, background will be yellow. Okay, so now you can see last candle, this red candle, this is the lower point and this is the higher point. This is the demand zone, and we are looking for a pullback. So later we will discuss how we enter in this market by using demand zone. Okay, so here you can see this is the last candle, higher point and lower point, and price pull back near demand zone and bounce again. And similarly, they try to bounce. So we will see some criteria where exactly entry point or not. So after that, you can see this is the supply zone. Price pull back and price create a new low and pull back near supply zone and drop again. They form a this is called supply zone, and the price goes near supply zone and price start falling from this area. So how exactly we draw? By connecting last candle where price are rejecting. This is called swing point also.